Hey there, cooking enthusiasts. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the Fullstar vegetable chopper, the ultimate kitchen gadget that will revolutionize the way you prepare your meals. With its 9-in-1 functionality, this vegetable chopper is a game changer. It comes with 7 easy-to-change inserts, including chopper blades and spiralizer inserts, giving you the option of broad ribbons or thin spirals. This means you can effortlessly chop, slice, and dice all your favorite vegetables and fruits with ease. But that's not all. This set also includes a bonus handheld peeler, juicer, egg separator, and slicer, making it the perfect all-in-one tool for all your cooking needs. Plus, the quality materials and space-saving blade organizer ensure that this chopper is not only convenient but also durable and long-lasting. The best part? No mess and slips. The catch tray makes cooking so much more convenient, and the non-slip base makes chopping that much easier. And when it's time to clean up, the entire chopper is dishwasher-safe, top rack. It doesn't get any better than that, so if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Fullstar vegetable chopper. Trust me, once you have this in your kitchen, you won't know how you ever lived without it. Don't wait any longer, click the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing kitchen tool today. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cooking tips and reviews. Happy cooking!